I have a Hampton-based ceiling fan that has no drawstrings. Model #XXXXX. Remote is FANHD, L3H2003 FANHD. It was working fine, and running on a dimmer switch that controlled not only the fan, but the kitchen light that is 7 feet away. The light when there is a light bulb installed flashes repeatedly. Any help?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. 1. Is the fan new? 2. What size lamps are you using? 3. The fan motor should not be on a dimmer to begin with.
The fan came with our new house, we didn't wire it at all. Using a 10-watt bulb, as the rating says nothing higher than a 14-watt. I know it shouldn't be running on the dimmer, that's why I am trying to fix it, but putting on a switch with 2 switches and that still made the bulb flash.
The symptom you are describing is more than likely a loose connection in the circuit or in the fan light wiring. The only thing to do is check all connections at this point. You stated that there are no pull chains on the fan, which means it has to be a remote-operated unit. Do you have a remote or are you just using the switch on the wall?
I have the remote, and it doesn't do anything when the light is connected. The remote does nothing at this point. The fan doesn't spin anymore. We are using the switch on the wall to see whether or not the light is coming on and blinking or is not blinking.
You have an issue with the receiver in the fan. It controls both the light and the fan. Having a dimmer on the wall controlling the circuit to the light fried the receiver. You'll have no option but to replace the receiver, and usually it is advised to replace the remote at the same time. If the receiver is in the canopy of the fan, it will be the least expensive compared to one in the body of the fan. Universal receivers with remote run around $25 at any home center. If you need one in the body of the fan, let me know and I'll give you a link to an online vendor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.